Check this, I'm sick of the tricks, sick of the purists. For ages we misfits, not talking about what day it is. The world has made us into capitalistic fatalists. I'm looking around the place, I can't find the folks that I came with. Without the real, true, left free people, please stand up. Tell me, somebody out there's the ones who've given up. Well, is this living or vows, living up to the vision? And does this revolution stop at your coffee cup? Fuck this, I'm sick of this shit, sick of the business. Sick of the world pretending to be my witness, sick of pretending to be this identity hypothesis, false metamorphosis. Throw my caution to the wind with total thoughtlessness. Oh yeah, no, is a hungry soul. So you think I'm there, but we need not fall. So face the demons stealing into these maddening days. Find them in the mind's eye, take aim and pull them away. We got to purify from the inside out, out, out. We got to purify. We got to purify from the inside out. So check the bass, check the middle, check the treble. But let's take this music to another level. With like pebbles dropping into the water, causing ripples for our sons and daughters. There's no borders, just all of us shouting honest. Today is spiritual this, spiritual that. Tell me I heard this. Present talking about a higher purpose. If they're talking about this shit, we gotta be living it in earnest, become impervious. So the holy walls will never hurt us. One love, one God, one word, one something. Below the words that don't mean nothing. You can't fool me with fantasy circus, circling semblances of sacred service. Only want to know what is your holy purpose. Oh yeah, I is a fighting soul. I am one man, but I am you also. Spread the wealth, slake the world's thirst. But now we can only save the world when we save ourselves first. We got to purify from the inside out. From the inside out. From the inside out. Be angry, yes, be mad, yes, be shocked and on. Whatever the fuck you do, don't be bored. Yes, the beat don't stop, this hip-hop's not the end. Cities chock-a-block, but still got oxygen. Still got something to fight for, die for, something to live my life for. And I intend to be one of the survivors, but that's it, cause the butt starts with us. No ifs, no buts, no matter who you cuss. If you're not on the bus, it won't be enough to save you. If you don't reach the ocean, the tide will turn in your favor. And all those leaving planet Earth will be like, see you later, see you later, see you later, see you later, see you later.